So there is a new update with the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP, that lets you make money from ad revenue that's shown on the YouTube Shorts feed. We're going to dive into that and show you how this can help you coming up next. So this is exciting because YouTube recently sent out an email, also a video was embedded saying that they wanted to create a more sustainable way for creators to grow on the platform. Now this includes ad revenue sharing and super thanks, which I'll get into in detail in a little bit because you're going to want to know about that. In 2023, YPP is introducing new thresholds if you would like to become a part of the program. Right now, you probably already know that you have to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watched hours to be accepted into the program. But because of this new rollout and update on being able to make money from ad revenue on shorts, now there's more flexibility because not everybody is favoring the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours because that may not work for them. Now you see a lot of YouTubers making shorts, uploading shorts. They don't want to make the long form content. Because of that, YouTube is now making it available for those who just want to create shorts and upload short content. They still will need 1,000 subscribers or 10 million, you heard that right, 10 million shorts views within the last 90 days. If you think about it, if your videos are going viral and in the last 90 days you meet that threshold, guess what? You are now into the program sooner than you think, sooner than you could have been, if you were just uploading long form content, hoping people would watch all of your videos, trying to gain the watch time. Now it's not even about watch time, it's all about views. So this is actually a win-win. 1,000 subscribers, 10 million views. On TikTok, I have about 5 videos that already have over 1 million views each. So if you're making content on YouTube Shorts and you just need 10 million views, it actually seems pretty easy. It actually seems like it's a cheat. And so this is how it works. All of the monies gathered from the ads viewed from Shorts in the Shorts feed will be added together and used to reward Shorts creators and help cover the cost of music licensing. Now it sounds like after everybody else gets paid from their music and donating their music to the Shorts feed or the Shorts shelf, it sounds like you're not going to get anything because they got to pay everybody else first. That's what it sounds like. But if you ask me, create viral content and I'm sure you're going to get something. Now, there is no breakdown right now as specifically who's going to get what. Each creator will keep 45% of the revenue from the amount allocated to creators, whatever that means. It's pretty much clever wording. And this will be based off of your total Shorts views. So basically, don't do anything but make viral content if you want to get paid. And I'm just saying that because, if you heard about this and you're like, ooh, now we can make money off of, Shorts ads. It doesn't matter what your genre is. It doesn't matter what your content is. It could be, flowers, photography, ministry, skateboarding, singing. It doesn't matter what your genre or your niche is. If you really want a part of this ad revenue, you're basically going to have to make content that's going to get a lot of views. Now, one of the cool things is they are now placing super thanks on Shorts videos, whereas super thanks only appears in front of the long form videos. And that's a way for, people to be recognized for their contributions and for their comments to be highlighted. So now it's going to be on the short videos, which is cool because I have a lot of videos that really help people out. And if I have an opportunity for them to click on it and pay me as a way of saying thank you, I'll take it. But hey, let me know, what do you think? Are you excited about this new update to the YouTube Partner Program, the new thresholds? Do you think it's easier now for people who are already uploading, content that's going viral? They haven't got specific. I do know that there are people that are making a ton of views and getting a boatload of subscribers, and they're uploading content that already exists. So I'm wondering, on TikTok, they kind of say that it has to be original content. Will YouTube crack down and say, you know what, it has to be original content? Or will they allow videos that are not yours, but because you have a Shorts channel and you're uploading this content, whether it be news clips, political clips, viral funny videos, will you still be able to get paid off of these ads that are being shown? And like it said, they use the word allocated. All of the money, will be basically split. Each creator will keep 45% of the revenue from all of your views, so I don't know, because if that's the case, I'm about to start uploading a bunch of random content. I have a couple of different channels, but I think they should be specific as to if you have to have original content or if there's a way around it. If it really doesn't matter, someone commented on my last short that I did about this, and they said, so long to YouTube. They said, well, goodbye YouTube, as to they don't think that it's going to be around that much longer, because now they're just going to be paying everybody because they're getting tons of views off of uploading content that are already went viral, or it's been around for a while. So, all right, guys, hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have a ton of videos on here that will help you with tips and tricks on YouTube and TikTok, Facebook and Instagram coming soon. All right, and until next time, I will see you on the next video.